Migrating from a legacy XTree file management system and have XCL scripts to deal with? These are command scripts from a classic file manager utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you read and execute these XTree for Windows scripts. Here's a professional insight for those XCL files that absolutely refuse to open. I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. XCL files are script files used by XTree. For Windows, a classic file manager application from the 1990s. They contain command sequences for automating file management operations, like copying, moving, deleting, and organizing files within the XTree environment. XCL files use plain text encoding with XTree command syntax, containing sequential commands for file operations, directory, navigation filtering, and batch processing, following the XTree command language specification used by the legacy file manager utility. The preferred application for managing the XCL file is XTree Gold from Jeffrey C. Johnson. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. The easiest way to rule out a simple failure is testing. Right-click your XCL file and choose Open With. Use XTree Gold first. If it's not there, try another application. A quick test is very revealing. If your XCL file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, opening in XTree. Install XTree. Gold or ZTree. When a modern successor to XTree on Windows, load the XCL script using the script execution function within the application. The commands run sequentially, performing the file management operations defined in the script on the target directories. Next, viewing as text. Open the XCL file in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or Visual Studio Code to review the commands without executing them. The plain text format allows manual inspection of the script logic and conversion to modern batch or PowerShell scripts if needed. Finally, converting to modern scripts. Translate XCL commands into Windows batch files, PowerShell scripts, or shell scripts for execution on modern systems. Map XTree commands to equivalent operations like copy, move, and DL, then save the converted script for ongoing use without requiring legacy XTree software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.